A job pays $30,000 for the first year, with an annual increase of 4% per year, beginning in the second year. What is the total salary paid over an 8-year period? Round to the nearest dollar. Well, what we're doing is multiplying your original salary by 1.04 to get an additional 4% each year. We're doing that for 8 years. This is therefore a geometric series because we are multiplying by a common ratio. And so the sum of the first n terms will equal the first term times 1 minus the common ratio raised to the number of terms that you're adding divided by 1 minus that common ratio. Since we're looking for an 8-year period, we're looking for S of 8, the sum of the first 8 years. Looking at this, we can see that the first term in our sequence that we have, or our series, is 30,000 because that's what our pay is starting at. Then 1 minus our common ratio. Well, if you have 30,000 and you want 4% more than that, you take it and multiply it by 1.04, which is 40% more than the one you have, and that will give you a 4% increase. So our common ratio is 1.04, and we're looking for the 8th sum of the first 8 years, so n is 8. We have 1 minus the 1.04. So from there, what we'll have is 30,000. And 1 minus, well, 1.04 to the 8th is approximately 1.36857 if we round off a little bit. And 1 minus 1.04 is negative 0.04. So this gives us the 30,000 times approximately, if we subtract this, we get negative 0.36857 all over the negative 0.04. And if we multiply that together to divide by the negative 0.04, we should get 276,400, and if I round off, I'll round off to a whole dollar. $276,427 would be the sum over 8 years.